Presiden Joko Widodo melakukan pertemuan bilateral dengan Presiden Liberia Joseph Juma Boakai di Hotel Mulia Nusa Dua, Bali, Senin 2 September 2024. Pertemuan dilakukan pada sela-sela rangkaian acara High Level Forum on Multi-Stakeholder Partnership atau HLF-MLSP dan Indonesia Afrika Forum atau IAF kedua. Saat membuka pertemuannya, Jokowi menyampaikan apresiasi atas kehadiran Presiden Boakai. Jokowi menekankan bahwa hubungan bilateral kedua negara telah berjalan dengan baik selama hampir 60 tahun.
Welcome to Indonesia and thank you for your Excellency's presence. The bilateral relationship between Indonesia and Liberia has been going well for almost 6 decades, and indeed there is still a lot of potential that we can develop together.
Jokowi kemudian menggarisbawahi 3 sektor utama kerjasama yang dapat diperkuat antara Indonesia dan Liberia. Salah satunya kerjasama di bidang kelapa sawit yang tengah menghadapi berbagai tantangan, mulai dari kampanye hitam yang dilancarkan di dunia barat hingga kebijakan diskriminatif European Union Deforestation Regulation atau EUDR.
Indonesia continues to fight these negative campaigns and hope Liberia can also continue to support. Indonesia also stand ready to assist capacity building in African countries, including Liberia.
Kedua adalah kerjasama di bidang infrastruktur. Jokowi mengatakan bahwa Indonesia memiliki banyak perusahaan dengan pengalaman luas dalam pembangunan infrastruktur yang siap bekerja sama dengan Liberia. Ketiga ex-gubernur DKI Jakarta ini menyampaikan kesiapan Indonesia untuk memperkuat kerjasama pembangunan dengan Liberia melalui berbagai program yang disesuaikan dengan kebutuhan Liberia. Mulai dari dukungan teknis, beasiswa hingga pelatihan vokasional. Pertemuan bilateral ini diharapkan dapat mempererat hubungan antara kedua negara dan membuka peluang kerjasama baru yang saling menguntungkan, khususnya di bidang-bidang strategis yang telah dibahas. Kedua pemimpin negara juga menegaskan komitmen mereka untuk terus bekerja sama demi kemajuan bersama di masa depan.
Your Excellency, welcome to Indonesia and thank you for your Excellency's presence. The bilateral relationship between Indonesia and Liberia has been going well for almost 6 decades, and indeed there is still a lot of potential that we can develop together, especially in 3 cooperation sector, namely first, palm oil cooperation. Currently, the palm oil industry is often a target of black campaign in the Western world, including the discriminatory EUDR policy. Indonesia continues to fight these negative campaigns and hope Liberia can also continue to support. Indonesia also stand ready to assist capacity building in African countries, including Liberia. Second, on infrastructure cooperation, Indonesia is home to many companies that have extensive experience in infrastructure development and stand ready to work together with Liberia to support infrastructure development in Liberia. Third, on development cooperation, Indonesia, as a new emerging donor, stands ready to strengthen development cooperation with Liberia with programs that suit the Liberia's needs through Indonesian aid mechanism, such as technical support, grants, scholarships, and vocational training. Next, I invite Your Excellency to share your views.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. We're very delighted to be here and want to thank you for the kind invitation for us to be here. You are very pleased for the kind of development that Indonesia had shown. We are following you closely. In my delegation here, we have the Minister of State, the Minister of Agriculture, the Senator, and the Minister of our portfolio. We are here to celebrate the friendship between us and Indonesia that started way back in 1955 when Liberia attended the Asia-Africa Conference that was held in Bandung that year. Mr. President, you will recall that the two countries established formal diplomatic relations in 1965, and we have cooperated in international organizations, including the United Nations and the Non-Aligned Movement, with a group of 77 plus China.